What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Hot 8 Corp Corporation. Without wasting much of your time, I will be covering Hot once in a while. This is obviously the first time I'm making a video on Hot. So, given the situation of things right here, we could see clearly right here that Hot has been in a in a massive uptrend, which is definitely very good to see. It's so sad that this YouTube channel is just starting, and I'm trying my possible best to cover as many stocks as I can to know those with community that I can be updating every week or every month. So given the situation of things right, like I said, Hot has been in a serious uptrend, which is definitely very good to see. You could see we're making higher highs here, higher lows, higher highs right here. So this is definitely very, very good. We majorly broke out of this resistance right here at $94.37. Found support around here so far, and you could see seems like we are most likely going to be retesting this major resistance again, but this time we'll be retesting $143. This seems to be playing out right here. If we're going to be breaking out of here, fine, but if there is enough momentum for us to get a breakout above $142.72, then we could rally all the way into $191. So I can say that for Hot 8 right now, worst case scenario is obviously seeing Hot 8 actually breaking below this major support right here at $94.29, whereby we break below this major support, retest, and we could dump even as low as $64 to probably $53, and we could probably rally much higher from there. So either of these will probably be playing out, but with the look of things, given how strong AI right now is looking, I think we're most likely going to see Hot 8 obviously rallying all the way to $143, or we could probably retest it. If we're going to be breaking out of this resistance, I honestly do not know, but I will definitely be here to keep each and every one of us updated. Now, given the situation of things right here, we could see that even from the weekly, the 100 and the 200 weekly EMA, they are still down. Hopefully they will catch up to where Hot is before we get that major pullback, and we could use probably the 100 or the 200 EMA as support. Now, given the situation of things right here, we could see right here with the news that AI's $1 trillion infrastructure build out is fueling the next wave of data center investment opportunities. You could see that the race to build the next generation of AI infrastructure is turning into one of the biggest investment stories in tech. Behind every ChatGPT prompt, cloud app, streaming service, online payments, and AI business to sit a sprawling network of data centers. As demand for artificial intelligence keeps climbing, the companies that build, own, and equip these facilities are moving to the center of a multi-trillion-dollar growth story. JLL projects global data center capacity could roughly double from about 103 gigawatts today to around 200 gigawatts by 2030. And that expansion may require as much as $3 trillion in new infrastructure, new infrastructure spending. McKinsey's number runs even higher, suggesting total worldwide overlay on data center build out could approach $7 trillion by the end of the decade. This may be creating opportunities for active tech companies that include Clean Core Solution Incorporations, Cypher Digital Incorporations, TerraWolf Incorporations, Hot 8 Corp, and Cerebras Systems. So the opportunity isn't limited to the owners of the buildings. It stretches across the whole supply chain. Makers of AI servers, networking gears, advanced cooling systems, power management technology, semiconductors, and the rest of the digital plumbing. Every new grayscale facility needs a mountain of hardware and supporting tech before the first workload ever runs. That's why a growing number of investors are looking past the usual tech names and towards the companies that actually supply the backbone of the AI boom. The hyperscale data center market alone is expected to grow from roughly $31.4 billion in 2026 to more than $52.5 billion by 2030. The broader global AI infrastructure market is forecast to climb from about $75.9 billion to roughly $223.5 billion over the same period. This is actually very, very crazy, which I will be taking screenshot of this for personal I want to do some personal research on stuffs like this. So thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Guys, have a wonderful weekend. Peace out.